Cargo Trailers. We just wanted to give you a video today to give you guys some information. We get questions all the time from customers wanting to know what they can do with their trailer. Well, first of all, if you can dream it at Renown Cargo Trailers, we can build it. I wanted to just show you some different options that you can do and outfit your trailer with. I wanted to show you is you can cover the plywood on your floors. We offer a couple of different options. This trailer right here is actually a toy hauler we're doing for a customer named Jason Root. Jason, what's up? Your trailer's looking good. We're about to get it wrapped up, my friend. But this trailer's covered with black rubber tread plate. We call it RTP. But what it does is it covers up the plywood in your floors. Just makes the trailer where it's not slippery. A lot of people who are doing living quarters or concession trailers or pet grooming trailers, whatever you have it, we put the RTP flooring. If you'll look on the walls, we've got the walls covered in silver frost metal. They also went halfway up the wall with it looks like the same thing as the flooring, but it's not. This is actually aluminum. This is ATP, but it's done in black. It's anodized tread plate on the walls. Just gives it some extra protection. We've also got your LED lights here. This trailer's got an electrical package on it. It's got your 30 by 30 slider windows. They're going to be using this trailer again. This is a toy hauler. They're going to be camping in it. They're going to be sleeping in it. It's got a bathroom package, a shower. We'll walk around there and show you that in a little bit. Also, we've got your LED loading lights up here. So if you ever need to load your toy or whatever you're trying to put in your trailer at night, it's easy as hitting a switch. We've also got some receptacles in this trailer, 110 outlet receptacles. We've got an air conditioner on it. We've got a 15,000 BTU AC. Right now, air conditioners are like gold, but at Renown Cargo, we'll do whatever we got to do to get you an air conditioner. Actually right here has what we call a super heavy duty ramp door. We have 3 different ramp doors that you can choose from. The first one's rated at 4,500 pounds. The next upgrade is 5,500 pounds. And then you can also get a 7,000 pound ramp door. And that's what this is. This is a super heavy duty ramp door. It's got the jacks that let up and down. So when you're loading up your piece of equipment, you've got some extra stabilizer jacks to give you that extra weight capacity that you might. If you'll look right here, again, this is your 30 by 30 slider windows with screens. This trailer has a powered awning on it. So everything's hooked up to the battery. So you can let your awning out. If it's a hot day, you need to get up under the shade, boom, as easy as hitting a switch. The awning will let out and you can sit up under here. You can plug in, I'm sure there's a GFI, yep. You can plug your coffee pot in, your fan, whatever you need while you're out camping. We've also got some exterior lights out here as well. So at nighttime, you can turn your lights on. Everybody can sit up under here. You can play cards while you're camping out. Do whatever you want to do. If you'll look right here, this has got a blackout special. These are what we call your black lagger wheels. These are 5,200 pound axles, 6 lugs. This is a beautiful color to me. This is what we call emerald green. You don't see many trailers done in this color. I don't know why. It looks good with the black accents and with the blackout special. But this is an 030 exterior. And it's got a semi-screwless exterior. If you'll notice, there's not rivets going all the way down the panels. What we do is we screw it in the seams and then we glue it in the middle. This helps give you that smooth, flat look. If you don't do it semi-screwless, your trailer is going to take a risk. You're going to take a risk of your trailer looking wavy. We've all seen trailers going down the road that look wrinkled up. And the reason is the people do not upgrade their metal to an 030 metal and they don't do it semi-screwless. Semi-screwless, 030 metal, and extended tongues are 3 things that I really recommend you doing if you're letting us build your trailer and customize your trailer. This one has an RV door with a window in it. It's got a 15 by 30 window and it's got a screen door on it. So if you're out camping with your family and you want to open up the door and set the hole back on it and shut the screen door so the mosquitoes don't come in on you. If it's a nice day, you want to open up your windows, let some breeze roll through, you can just shut your screen door. We've also got stabilizer jacks on here. So what you do is when you set up at your spot that you're camping at, you can let these stabilizer jacks down and then the trailer's sitting level so it's not cockeyed. This is a V-nose. This has a motor base plug on it. If you come around here, Laura, this is a 50 amp motor base plug. So instead of having a lifeline that runs from your electrical panel box where you have to run it out through the bottom of the trailer, a lot of people put motor base plugs on it. It's a hookup just like on all your campers. You just plug your cord in, and then you run the cord to your power source, your generator or your shoreline, wherever you're at. You just plug it right in. This is a water inlet supply. So this is how you get water to it. 2 release valves. This is one, it's got one for the shower package and one for their sinks. So there's 2 water hookups. This trailer has also got a window. This is a cool feature in their bathroom. They've got a 15 by 30 slider window. Let's come in. I want to show her the shower. Y'all, again, this is a really cool setup on this trailer. If you look, you've got your toilet here. You've got your 30 by 32 shower, or 32 by 32 shower. So even a big guy like me, y'all, I'm almost 300 pounds. If you wonder if you're going to be able to take a shower, boom, look, plenty of room. I can turn around, I can move around, plenty of room, y'all. This is a 32 by 32 shower, and like I said, I am 300 pounds. I am a big guy, and look at all the room I got. People wonder if they're going to be able to get in. Also, plenty of room on the toilet. I'm not going to sit down on the toilet, but there's plenty of room in there. All right, and I love how this trailer's set up, y'all. It's got a kitchen area. So when you're off camping, you've got your 2-bay sink right here. You've got your overhead cabinets. Man, these cabinets are pretty. All black, done in black trim. Plenty of overhead space cabinet, y'all. I mean, I love this trailer. Jason, y'all are going to have a good time in this trailer, man. Your family are going to make a lot of memories when y'all are off camping and playing with your toys. Again, I love the window, how we designed it over here. We got your 15 by 30 slider window. You got your GFI receptacles right there. You've got to have GFIs when you're close to water. And then there's also a floor-to-ceiling cabinet here. This is a cabinet to where you'll be able to store your clothes, put all your clothes, hang your clothes. And look at who's behind the camera. Say hey, Laura.
Hi.
That's who does all our videos at Renown. She does a phenomenal job. But this is your floor-to-ceiling trailer. Silver frost walls, blackout package on the interior. Beautiful trailer. Beautiful trailer.
All right.
Also, guys, if you'll look right here, this trailer has a recessed tire compartment. So this is where you can store your spare tire. But a lot of people also just use this for another compartment to put items in. But it's designed for a spare tire compartment. And another thing, here's more cabinet space. They've got an overhead cabinet right here. And y'all, these are the best, beautiful cabinets you'll ever see. But these are black cabinets done with black trim. Just more overhead space. But I love how they've got the ATP running halfway up the walls with the black trim, and then it goes into the silver frost 30 by 30 windows. They are going to love this trailer. Again, we've got your 15,000 BTU air conditioner, plenty of lights in here. There's your switches for your electric awning, your interior lights, plenty of receptacles to plug stuff up in. But again, y'all, we just wanted to show you, this is one of the trailers that we're working on here at Renown Cargo Trailers. We can customize to whatever you want. We're doing dog grooming trailers. We're doing food trailers. We're doing camping trailers, toy haulers, race car trailers. If you can dream it at Renown Cargo Trailers, we say we can build it. So y'all give us a call at 1-888-287-3954. I've got plenty of sales reps that are eager to talk to you, answer any questions you have. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find us at Renown Cargo Trailers. Y'all, we are giving away a trailer this year. We've never done that before. We can't wait to give away a trailer. So how you're going to do it is you're going to get people to subscribe to our channel, produce a list at the end of the year. Stay tuned for a video. We're going to tell you all about that soon. And also check us out on our website at www.renowncargotrailers.com. Y'all, we can't wait to earn your business. You might come as a customer, but you will leave as family. I get so many text messages. Last night I got 3 from customers saying, hey, you just delivered us our trailer. We love it. Tierney helped us. Jeff helped us. JD helped us. Conrad, Tucker, Austin. Man, Ashley, I've got Jocelyn, so many great people around me God has blessed me with, and we just want to tell you that God loves you. We look forward to talking to you soon. Until then, y'all be blessed.